Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you give feedback to Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to give feedback to Wise, you just simply have to open your Wise application. And after opening the Wise application, just simply unlock this with your biometrics or PIN code. You will be prompted to this home page. Now into this page, you will get a bunch of options. Just simply scroll down a bit and you will get to see this give us feedback option. Tap into that option and then you just simply have to select any of the emoji here according to your preference, what kind of experience that you had with Wise, and then write your feedback into this box right here and tap to submit button, and your feedback will successfully be sent to the Wise team. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.